Republic Day of India, 26th January. We got our independence on 15th August 1947, but before 26th January 1950, we were following the rules and law set by the British. Since 26th January 1950, we have our own rules and laws that are implemented to all the Indians. On 26 November 1949, the drafting committee of Constitution was formed and Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar was appointed as the chairperson of committee. On 26 January 1950, the Constitution of India came into effect. So we celebrate this day as a Republic Day. Our constitution gives us rights and responsibilities too. We live in a democratic country where people enjoy their fundamental rights. In society, we have different caste, religions, or many other things that separate us, but on a broader picture, we all are Indians. The beauty of our country is we have different languages and we also have different conflict and differences, but on national festivals, we all stand as a united force. On this day, the award and medals of the bravery are also given to the armed forces and civilians too. The main attraction for the bravery award is the young kids who are awarded by the Prime Minister. Flag hosting ceremonies and cultural programs take place in all the state capitals. Flag hosting ceremonies are also conducted by the local administration, schools, and colleges all over the country. It is not just a festival but pride that we all Indians feel.